Summer vacation on Bolivar Peninsula, the Texas Gulf Coast hidden gem. It's June on the upper Texas coast and time to get away. The long days of summer have officially arrived, and there's no better place to soak it all in than Bolivar Peninsula on the upper Texas coast. Just a short ferry ride from Galveston or a country drive from Winnie, Texas on I-10, this laid-back coastal escape offers pristine beaches. Yes, we've had a little sagasa weed, but that's good for the beach. Warm Gulf breezes and small-town charm perfect for family getaways, romantic retreats, or solo adventures. Bolivar Peninsula is known for its wide-open beaches where you can drive your car right onto the sand. That's right. Pitch a tent, bring an RV, enjoy a vacation rental, and enjoy the sounds of the surf under the Texas sun. From swimming and shelling to birdwatching, campfires, and every day feels like a new chance to unwind and reconnect. Crystal Beach, Texas is the heart of it all, offering beach house vacation rentals, fresh seafood, family-owned restaurants, shops, stores, live music, and an iconic sunrise over the beachfront and sunset over the bay that paints the sky in unforgettable colors. Whether you're planning a day trip, weekend stay, or a weekend escape, Bolivar Peninsula Team Bolivar invites you to slow down, savor the Texas sun, book early, bring your flip-flops, and discover why this hidden gem keeps visitors coming back year after year. Well, from Team Bolivar, myself, the Bolivar Live Truck, and area businesses, we invite you down to explore Bolivar Peninsula in 2025. And for more information on Bolivar Peninsula, area businesses, vacation rentals, Texas history, restaurants, live music, and more, please visit our website, the official Tourism and Visitor Center website for the Upper Texas Coast Bolivar Peninsula at www.bolivarpeninsulatexas.com. Well, we're going to head on out. You can see the beach is looking phenomenal. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula. You'll love it. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.